Charity, how are you?
Good day, I'm fine.
Interested. Can I sit with you?
You? Jeff?
Of course, why not? Are you not my sister? Can't I sit with you?
Jeff, are you the one saying this?
Come on, let's have a word, okay? Okay, we will have this discussion much later.
Good day, Mom.
What was that devil telling you? Huh?
Hey, Mom. He came here and was saying that I'm the sister. He's my... I can't understand.
He said that to you?
I was really surprised when he said it. Maybe he has decided to change.
Hey. Why then did he walk out when he saw me? Eh? Don't you think he's up to something mischievous?
Mom, I don't think so.
Charity. Charity.
Mommy.
Be careful. Be careful. Be careful, oh. That is all I have to say to you. I don't trust that boy. Be careful. Come, let's close prayers.
Hear my cry. Upon what to do, Metsuki no Biochiba. Chink anywhere. If they wanna do the denial of your sorrow. Oh, chink anywhere. If they wanna do the denial of your sorrow. I don't have strength to fight the chink anywhere. If they wanna do the denial of your sorrow. You're my strength and my hope. Chink anywhere. If they wanna do the denial of your sorrow. Just because you think.
Where are you? Hey, what is he doing outside?
Be careful, oh. That is all I have to say to you. I don't trust that boy.
Jeff, so you still have my phone number?
Why not? I know you'll be surprised though. You remember what I told you the last time? You're still my sister, no matter what.
So, what are you doing here? And why do you want to see me?
Well, I called you for, for us to have heart-to-heart conversation. And it's something I wouldn't want your mom or anyone in the house to hear about it. Okay? At least before we proceed with the plans, I want us to, work on it first before letting anyone know.
Which plans?
You see, Charity, I've thought about this whole, scuffles and stuff we have in this house. And I said to myself, it is not right. Okay? It is not right for any reason. So I want to call off the case.
Jeez, are you serious? Are you serious about this?
Come on, you should know me by now.
Jeff, do you want to make a mockery of me?
I am not making any mockery of you. You should know me by now. I don't spend time unnecessarily. On call.
Hey, thank you very, very much. God bless you for this. I promise you I will not tell my mom about it until it is done. I promise. I won't tell her about this.
Very good. So do
God.
you really want to do this? I mean, do you want us to do this? Okay.
Yes. I won't.
You will meet me here later this evening. Okay, it's for us to plan on the way further, you know, on what to do. So even in your front, in your presence, I mean, I'm going to call the barrister.
Are you serious? Wow. Jeff, thank you very, very much. God bless you.
Come on, you don't need to
And
thank
God, I never knew that you're this kind. God bless you.
We are family.
Thank you
Stop
very,
thanking
very
me.
much.
So here, meet me there this evening so we'll talk.
Okay. Jeff, thank you very, very much.
It's okay, child.
God bless you. Thank you. God bless you, Jeff. Thank you very much.
Just because you think you're on top, I need to go find a coca. Marapani, what you naked, the woko. God's anger is like fire. Marapani, what you naked, the woko. God's anger is like fire. And make it up on your child. It took all us off from my to be. God of vengeance is on the way. He said, consummate God of justice is...
Now, one day. Now, what time more? Are you sure this method will work? Eh? She's meant to have been here now.
What was her reaction when you told her about this?
She was happy that I wanted to withdraw the case. But when I told her about seeing me here, she had this mixed reactions.
Relax. She will come.
Abro, she will come one time more.
Don't worry. She will come. Just relax.
I'm very sorry, my love.
Okay, fine. You know what? I am having a meeting here with my friends, okay? So, take this money as your transport and go back home. I will call you when I need you. Okay?
Okay.
Fine.
I'm expecting your call.
If I busy, eh? I'm busy for Romeo and Juliet. Give her name is now.
Don't worry. Relax. She will come. She will be here.
She will come. She will come. You have time.
I told you. She's here.
Now when the girl will keep another Juliet.
Okay. Hey. How are you?
Fine. Jeff.
Charity.
How are you?
Fine.
Okay. I have a seat.
Thank you.
Charity. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Welcome. Jeff, why don't you go upstairs and get her something good to drink?
That's true.
No, never mind. I'm okay.
Oh no, Charity, come on. Just relax yourself, alright? This place is like my second home. And this man right here is like my blood. Okay? So just feel free. Okay? Let me get you a drink. You'll like it. So how is home? I just come here to relax sometimes, relax my nerves and...
Jeff, I think I should leave the both of you now. Okay?
Okay.
All right. Please feel comfortable.
Thank you. Your friend has a nice home here.
Yeah, the dude has been trying. He's doing well for himself.
Very chilled. Jeff, please. Let's be fast. I didn't tell my mom where I was going to.
Oh, that's true. Okay, let me quickly get something upstairs. I'll be back. So proceed.
Okay.
Just drink. There's more for you. I know you like it. The one the whole juice, man. Maki!
Hey! Where will she be by this time of the night? Eh? Hey! God, what is wrong with this girl?
You're right.
Please, do you have any idea of my daughter's whereabouts?
No, ma. You mean she hasn't come home till now?
Yes. And I've been calling her line for the past 1 hour. She's not picking. Hey!
Where could she be now? It is almost 8 p.m.
I'm afraid though. Eh? Something bad must have happened to my daughter.
No, ma. I believe nothing will happen to her. Nothing will happen to her.
Hey, Charity doesn't keep late nights. I don't understand what is going on. Eh?
Just calm down, ma. I believe she'll be back.
What kind of thing is this? What kind of thing is this? What
Calm
kind of
down.
thing?
Just calm down.
Hey.
So what happened?
I've done it now. She's awake.
I told you she will wake up. That's not a problem.
But there's a problem. How will I take her home?
Just leave her for some time, okay? If I were you, I should be happy now that I have gotten all I wanted.
It's just the time. It's just getting late. You're awake. Okay, just let's get your bag so I...
Don't you dare, don't you! Jeff! What did you do to me? Jeff!
Don't you...
What have you done to me?
What is wrong with you now? Are you sleepwalking? Let me take you home. Why are you shouting now? What have I done to you, Bugin? What happened?
You can't deny it!
I can't deny what?
Jeff, you raped me! Jeff, you raped your own sister!
Now what's your problem? Even if you say it outside, no one will believe you.
Is that the reason why you invited me to this?
Please, pick your bag. Let me drop you. It's getting late before they start.
Don't you dare! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me! You're a beast! You're a beast! You're a beast! You're a beast! You're a beast!
I'm outside.
Don't touch me! Don't touch me! Don't touch me!
Charity.
Yes, ma'am.
What is it? Eh? What is wrong with you? You told me you went to see a friend last night, but you never told me why you are still crying since then. What is the problem with you?
I'm fine, Mom.
You're fine. Charity, what are you hiding from your mother? Can you talk to me? Eh? Charity, talk to me now. What is it?
Ma.
Charity! Charity, talk to me.
What happened to her?
I don't know Charity, oh. She refused to tell me. And she has been crying since yesterday.
Charity, what is the problem now? Come on, stop crying and talk to us.
What is it? What is it? It's okay, stop crying. You've been crying enough. You've cried enough. Eh? It's okay. It's okay.
It's okay, Charity.
What is it? Okay, stop crying. Eh? You know what?
Mommy.
It's okay now. Let's go inside so that you talk to me. Wait, it's okay. It's okay. Can you stop? Stop crying. Oh?
I got Judy here for him to hear what I'm about to say. I've decided to say the truth. Even though he warned that he could deny me if I do so.
My daughter, can you stop? Can you please stop crying? Stop crying and tell me what happened to you. Oh?
Charity, it's okay now. We are taking this matter too far. Dry your tears and tell us what happened since you've decided to tell us. Forget about whatever threat the person must have given you. Come on.
Charity, I am not finding this funny any longer. For 2 days now, you have refused to tell me what happened to you. Can't you talk?
Ma, please. Don't be angry with her. None of us knows the amount of trauma she must have gone through as a result of this.
She should open her mouth and talk to me. I am not her mother for nothing.
I'm sorry, Mom. Mommy, I didn't mean to provoke your anger. Jeff came to me a few days ago and told me that he has decided he has decided to withdraw the court case. He told me that he didn't want you to know about it until he finalized his plans. Then he invited me to a place where we are going to discuss the details of the plans.
Jeff invited you to a place?
Yes, Mommy. I never knew that it was his first place until I got there. Jeff assured me that I could go to my church. Jeff assured me that he could call the judge to withdraw the case in my presence. Mommy. Jeff offered me juice. And took permission to go and use himself. Mommy. After taking some quantity of the juice, I didn't know what happened. The only thing I can remember was that Mommy, I found myself in Jeff's friend's bedroom. Mommy, Mommy, Jeff, Mommy, Mommy.
Talk now, talk.
Mommy.
Come on.
Jeff raped me.
Charity! Jeff, my brother, raped you? His own sister? God!
Why? Charity, why? After all the warning Pastor Joe gave to you concerning that demon, Charity, you failed me. I am disappointed in you.
Where's Jeff? Where's Jeff?
Easy now. Stop shouting at me.
I'm asking you for the last time. Where is Jeff?
My friend. Were you the one banging on my door?
Mom, I'm looking for Jeff. Where is he?
Are you high? What did you drink this morning?
I wonder.
Mom, this is the height of it. Jeff has done what no man has ever done in our family lineage.
What has my son done? He raped my daughter. Huh? Yes! Your so-called son, Jeff, raped my daughter! What kind of blackmail is this?
Jeff, your son lured me to his friend's place. Drugged my drink. and raped me.
Did you hear?
Shut up, Mom. Charity cannot lie to us. What else can you say? You will always support them in whatever they do. But I tell you something, you will regret it someday.
I'm not siding anybody. I'm only standing by the truth, Mother.
Fine.
Charity is not a kid that cannot defend herself.
Good. Talking about defense, Jeff did not rape Charity. That is the only truth I know. You carry on. You know what? I will just wait until Jeff comes back. Fine. Because I am not going to keep quiet over this. Shout. I can't keep calm over this. Yes. Shout. What is my business? Shout if you like. I don't care. I am not going to keep quiet over this. I said you should shout. Look for a megaphone. What has seen me? Nonsense. You think I care? I don't care. Because my son is innocent. Okay. Nonsense.
For Christ's sake, Mother. You are defending Jeff even though you've not heard from him. God.
Chidi, Jeff is my son. I know my son and my son knows me. He did not rape Charity. Go ahead. Keep supporting them. Like I promised you earlier, you will definitely regret it. Just get out of my presence because you're nauseating me. Get out!
But I promise you something, Mother. Jeff will not go free from this. Our people in the village will hear about this. It is an incest if you don't know, Mom.
You're stupid. Just get out. Get lost and remain lost. No, go! Follow them! Go to their bedrooms. Idiot! Follow them. Fool. Judas.
Just because you think you're on top, I need to go find it.
But Mom, what if Charity is actually right?
Fasago Gisi. Asagogo Gisi. How can Charity be telling the truth, Bibia? Don't you get it? They are trying to frame Jeff up just because of the case in court. You get it now, right?
You're right, Mom.
Oh.
You're right.
But I tell you one thing, no matter what they do, I will always support my son. I will always be there to defend my son. Bad people. Evil people.
But Mommy, this allegation, this one, is very loud.
No, let them shout. So, Pastor, I have to take my daughter to the hospital for medical attention while we wait for the young man to return.
Are you saying the young man has not returned up till this moment?
Nobody has seen him. Even his mother does not know his whereabouts.
This is a sad story. Charity, it's all your fault. You should have been more observant than to ignore the warnings of the Holy Spirit, to be more careful with this young man.
Pastor, I'm sorry. I was desperate to gain freedom from my brother Desmond. I didn't know that he laid a trap for me.
Well, what will I say? The deed has already been done. The devil has had his way.
It's my fault, Pastor. I admit my fault, Pastor. I should have read the handwriting on the wall.
It's okay. Dry your tears. God will fight the battle for you.
Amen.
Stop crying.
Pastor, please. What do you advise me to do about this?
I will not advise you to do anything until the young man comes back.
Okay. What if he comes back and denies raping my daughter? Should I keep silent?
Sister, rape is a serious matter. You can't take laws into your hands. You're handing over to the police. But that will be until he comes and you listen to him. That's my advice. Charity.
Okay.
Give me your hands. Let me pray with you. Father, in the mighty name of Jesus.
Amen.
I commit your daughter Charity into your mighty hands. Asking you for the joy of the Lord that supersedes every other joy to overwhelm her this minute in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Whatever seed the enemy has planted inside of her, I thwart it this minute in Jesus' name.
Amen.
Charity, me. How could you lay such accusation on me? That I slept with my own blood sister? Abmoyala. Oh.
Jeff, you can't deny it. You had it in mind the first day you approached me. With the story that you are going to withdraw the court case. Then you invited me to your friend's place to actualize your own plan.
Nah, Charity, Mama. Why can't you tell your mom the truth? Highest thing, she will get angry and still forgive you. Instead of beating around the bush, why are you deceiving yourself?
Jeff, what truth?
The truth is that I invited you to my friend's house, and all you could do is to sleep with him.
Hey!
Are you not shameless?
Jeff!
Tell your mom the truth.
Jeff! Look at what you're saying. I know you are lying. I can't believe you because my daughter can never do such a thing. You are lying! 100% liar! That is what you are.
Oh, Biakwo, so there she goes again. So your daughter is now an angel, Aubrey.
Is your son an angel?
You heard what he said.
He has written everything to us.
Lie, Jeff.
Charity, come.
Leave me. I need to go find it. Marapani what you never do. But anger is like fire. Marapani what you never do. But anger is like fire.
I know he's lying. You are lying. I can never believe you. So this is how you act.
Are you mad? Come and pass now.
My God will expose you. You are just lying to cover up your evil acts, okay? You are lying to cover up your evil acts. Okay? You think I will believe you? I can never believe you because I trust my daughter. She is my daughter. I trust her.
So you people want to disgrace me in this city, So your plan is to disgrace me in this city. But before you do that, I will end your life.
Your image will not only be tarnished in this city, but also in the village.
Yes.
And I will personally sponsor it.
I support that.
Jeff, you raped your own sister and you're not even ashamed of yourself? You're standing here denying it before us?
Cello.
God.
Were you referring to me?
Yes, of course.
If you try it, Hey! I know he's your brother. But I can't allow you to do that.
You are very heartless and wicked.
Beauty, let me see you. If you want nigga, Judas is cucumber. Forget him. Stay there. You're just being gra to cover your evil acts. You are gra yourself, eh? To cover your evil acts. You have failed. You have failed because God will expose you one day. Watch and see. Watch and see. If you hear, Judas is cucumber. Oh yeah.
Hello. Hey! Even can't carry what you call.
Incest is a great abomination against a family and a community at large.
That boy no ajo disease. He doesn't behave like someone who has this family's blood running in his veins and arteries. How can it be if you can lie back with a
I hope he's still in the police custody, eh?
For where?
Huh?
Yeah. No. He bribed the police that day and they freed him the same day. The DPO said we should go home and settle the matter. That is a family issue. Or if I'm not satisfied, I should take the matter to the court.
Ha! Incredible.
But I hope Charity was properly taken care of.
Yes. I spent a lot of money at the hospital for her treatment.
My uncles, I greet you once again.
You're welcome.
The reason for me coming with them to the village is to beg both of you to take drastic measure on this matter. My father used to say that when a lizard that bears 2 tails is paired, the one with 3 tails might appear the next day.
It is a very serious crime against our tradition. But I promise you, we will not take it lightly, so that it will not cause further damage in the family. Eh? So when did it?
Ihe abaru toro aru karu aru to nwa hapia oburo omenala. We are living here to our kinsman's chairman's house to brief him of all that has transpired here. We will not leave this, because if we do, it might generate further problems, as just Chief Gabriel pointed out.
I hope you people are not going back today.
No, my husband. No.
Oh, please. I want you people to stay back and know the outcome of the meeting. Choma.
We stay till tomorrow.
Oh, lovely. I get you in the evening. See for Bono no Libenu.
Charity. Don't worry. Everything will be settled. Yeah? Maintain your peace.
Thank you, Uncle.
Thank you, my husband. Go well.
It is better this way. Let them report the matter to Dumuna. Jeff must be made to pay for this.
Hey, Chidinna, thank you very much. Thank you for your support and encouragement on this particular matter.
You're welcome, Mom.
Though I'm not your mother, but the part you played on this issue, I so appreciate it. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
You're welcome, Mom. I'm only fighting for the truth.
Judy, thank you very, very much. I truly appreciate it.
Oh, you're welcome. I'm only fighting for the truth.
Thank you so much. Oh, God will bless you.
No, honestly, you missed out. You missed out greatly. Chris's house opening was dope. You need to see drinks, you need to see girls, you need to see... In fact, it's dope, like very, very dope. Okay. But you're coming in the country when? Oh, Mom.
Son.
Good evening.
Evening. You're welcome.
How are you?
I'm okay. Were you able to know the whereabouts of your brother?
He's not yet back?
He's not.
Come on, Mom, say. You don't need to stress yourself out for that fool. Okay? This is not the plan. It's obvious he left with Charity and her mother. You need to go to bed.
Okay?
I don't have strength to fight the my strength and my heart.
Please don't kill me.
Maki! Maki! Who the hell is that? Who is that?
Everything is not right. What is going on now? What is going on? I didn't bargain for this, so. I did everything you asked me to do. Why am I still being tormented?
Are you saying you're still being tormented?
Exactly! Now, on the watch you go Dikeh. In Ako. You travel anytime you want to. You buy any property you want to. But look at me. Are we not in this together? Now
listen. Just because you're desperate to make money more than any of us doesn't mean we should jump protocols. You have to be patient. I mean, it was like that during my own time too. I don't understand why you're just being so worried and impatient about all this.
My guy, you don't understand. That is what is called peace of mind. I think with peace of mind.
Relax. Okay, relax. But everything is going to be fine, okay?
Sit down.
Relax.
Sit down, let's talk. Jeff, sit.
Kabame mo buzi konabam. Or konabam kompiazim.
It's okay. Here. Have a drink. Fake!
Don't worry. Who can I buy?
Your wickedness is increasing every day. But remember.
Good day, ma. Good day, Vivian. How are you? Charity, give me that letter.
Okay, Mom.
Vivian, take. Give it to your mother. It's for her. Hey, God.
Yes.
Don't tell me you left with Charity and her mom, and we've been looking for you since yesterday.
You saw all of us coming back together. You're asking if I went out with them.
Chidi, you left without telling anyone where you were going to.
Is it necessary?
Chidi. Hey. Why did I even collect this letter without knowing the content or where it came from? Look Look at my own brother. Now acting as a driver for them. Hey.
You're on top. I need to go find it. Marapani what you naked the wako. God's anger is like fire. Marapani what you naked the wako. God's anger is like fire. And the kid up on at your child. It took all us off for my to be. God of vengeance is on the way. He said, God of justice.
Naked.
I'm fine, thank you, Mom. Mom.
Who are those?
Charity and her mom. She lives with them. She gave me this letter for you.
Who?
Charity's mom.
Gave you for me. Where did she get it from?
I don't know.
Where's the kindred, Obodoku? How could she?
What is it, Mom? What? They went to the village? And Chidi went with them?
See, I can take every other thing. But you see this? I will not take it. Give me.
This is serious. This woman is really looking for trouble. She went to the village to report my mom and Jeff. Why now? Now the whole village would think that Jeff actually raped Charity. Even my own brother went with them.
What is the meaning of this? What is the meaning of what? So you traveled all the way from the city to the village just to report my son and I to the king's men, right?
Ikeria, tell me why I should not report you to the king's men.
Ijoma, you know what? I've had enough of your insults.
I have never insulted you. Just go to the village and see the king's men if you know your son Jeff is innocent.
Are you mad? My son is innocent. So you think in your mind that I will honor such a useless invitation, right?
Ikeria, please leave my room.
What did you just
say? Rest. Leave my room.
You think you will go scot-free? After going to that village to paint me black. Hey, Joma.
I have nothing to say to you. Just leave my room.
I should leave?
Yes.
I should leave.
You can leave me! Leave me!
Leave.
You can leave me!
You will not go scot-free. You will pay for this.
Leave me!
I say you pay. Stop shouting. You
leave me!
Wise one, I did everything you asked me to do. Everything. But the ghost is still appearing to me.
Yes, great one. He was with me the last time it appeared for him in my house.
Who can I buy him?
Whose semen did you bring here?
I brought my sister's semen, of course.
I ask you again. Whose semen did you bring here?
Wise one, I was in Mugu. I brought my sister's semen. Ask my friend Makay. I did everything in his house.
Yes, in my house.
You cannot run faster than your shadow. For the semen you brought was not your sister's semen.
I don't... Wise one, I brought my sister's semen. Ask my friend here.
Quiet! She is not your sister. For she shares no blood relationship with you. Go and get your sister's semen. Else, the ghost will not stop tormenting you.
Just because you think you're on top, I need to go find a coca. Marapani what you naked the wako. God's anger is like fire. Marapani what you naked the wako. God's anger is like fire.
You look like a lizard that fell from the rock. What is the problem?
Because I'm deep worried. What does the master mean by Charity is not my sister? Charity is my stepsister. She's my blood.
Jeff, I think we should forget about this for now, okay? I promise you everything is going to be alright.
Why should I forget about this? I'm left with the challenge of sleeping with Bibian. How is that possible? I can't even picture myself doing that.
Jeff, there is nothing that is not possible. I mean, you're getting yourself worked up over nothing. Okay, now, let me tell you this. Do you know that I had to sleep with my own mother on her sick bed? Right at the point of death?
What did you just say now?
Listen.
You slept with your mother. Cello, did you say you slept with your own mother?
Jeff, there was a purpose for that, okay? Just as you were asked to sleep with your own sister. I mean, not that it was very easy for me, but I devised the means and I had it done.
Makay, did you say you slept with your own mother?
Yes, I did, and today I am reaping the fruit of my labor. I mean, look at me. I have cars everywhere. I have businesses, fleet of cars. I mean, name it. I'm living good.
Makay, but this is your fault, oh. You can't want to quarrel me for now. You didn't tell me it's going to be like this.
Jeff, this is nothing to worry about. These are just little sacrifices you have to make.
What kind of sacrifice, for crying out loud? Sleeping with Bibian, my own sister. I can't do that now. That's not possible.
Think about it. Take cigarettes and calm yourself
down. Keep your cigarettes.
Smoke.
Keep your cigarettes first. You can't want to throw me for man.
You've got that nothing. Just calm down. Calm down. Okay? It's just a little thing.
You slept with your own mother.
Vanity, vanity, all is vanity, vanity. Everything a vanity, vanity, all is vanity.
Makay thinks this is easy. How do I stand this after I must have carried out the assignment? Bibian will never forgive me in her entire life. But I need to do this for me. I need this to have rest of mind. I need to do it.
What are we dragging for? Vanity, all is vanity. Father's property, very, very important to me. Yami Yanaka, otherwise, Ogwadaba, Tibwes Obuziya Kazima, you kill me, I kill you. Obuzonya Jakuwa. What are we fighting for? One more. What are we dragging for? Obeluwa. Vanity, all is vanity.
I'm here to see Makay.
Alright, it's inside. Come with me.
Okay, thank you.
Vanity, all is vanity, vanity. Everything a vanity, vanity, all is vanity. Can you wear ruda? Can you get ruda? Even Makani one my father's will is very, very important. Father's will, and now.
Good afternoon.
How are you today and your family?
I'm alright, and yours?
We thank God. Hey, but what is wrong with your phone? I have been calling your line since and it's not going through. I was even coming to your house. Did Ijoma call you?
Ijoma? No, I've not heard from her.
Hey. Ijoma called me this morning and said that Eukaria and her son Jeff said that they will never honor the invitation from Umona in Anukwamo.
Ha! Chineke jukwu ihe ọjọọ. Chineke adị ihe ọjọọ. What is wrong with Eukaria? Who is she to say that she will not honor the invitation of Umona? Oje komu?
What I want you to know now is that there is no point to wait for them because they will never show up. Check, quiet, check.
Well, in that case, we have to inform the chairman immediately before that tomorrow's meeting.
I think so, too. But let's make it in the evening, so that I will join you together and then we will see the chairman.
Well, as a matter of fact, I will come over to your house. You know, your house is very close to his.
Okay. I'll be waiting for you.
This evening, eh?
Okay.
She's all yours now. Take her upstairs and do what you have to do so that she doesn't wake up here.
Makay, I cannot do this. There's no need doing it. I cannot do this. It's impossible. My own sister. Think I'm now.
What do you mean you cannot do this? Listen, Jeff. The ball is in your court now. Like I said, take her upstairs and be fast about it.
See, I cannot do this. I cannot do this. It's impossible. Just take it easy, don't want her. Just easy.
Hello, Vicky. Sorry, you will have to call me back later, okay? Listen, Vicky, I cannot talk now, okay? I'm in a very important meeting. I will call you when I am okay, when I am done. Okay, thank you very much. Nice job, right? That's my man. The deed has been done.
There was no deed.
What do you mean you couldn't do it?
Now, what are you talking about? I cannot sleep with my sister. I can't.
Jeff, go up there for goodness sake and do what you have to do while there is still time.
Stop saying this thing, Biko. I cannot do it. Sleep with my sister. Eh?
Jeff, go up there for goodness sake and do what you have to do while there is still time.
Don't me shout. I cannot sleep with my sister. I've got morals, man. I can't sleep with my sister.
You, moral? Moral or no moral? Count me out of this.
Make I go sleep with my sister. Nah, no, please, no, stop talking. No, they tell me this, I beg. I can't do it.
I am very disappointed.
If you like, say anything you want. I cannot sleep with my sister. I cannot. Read my lips.
You know what? Count me out of this from now onwards. You face your own problem by yourself, since that is what you want. How can you let this great opportunity just go by like that? Man, I'm disappointed. What?
You still have not told me what happened to your sister. She's still sleeping.
Mom, she'll be fine.
But why is she sleeping like that?
She took excess alcohol. It's just highness. She'll be fine.
Alcohol? Oh, yeah.
Mom, she'll be fine. Stop working yourself out. Oh, highness. Oh, hangover.
Alcohol. Oh. She's out.
Mom, it's coming.
Sit.
Jeff, what happened to me?
Make invited you over, so you took strong alcohol that knocked you off. He even called me on phone to come pick her. Eh? Even the reason for inviting her, they couldn't even discuss it.
Oh, that's true. You're very correct.
You remember now?
That's true. Mommy, I'm very hungry. Did you cook?
I did. But first and foremost, you just want a million koibo. Oh? Get up. Get up. No,
Stand.
Me, why did you have
They called me to come. I wasn't.
Ivan Kitty. Eh? Ngwara ze let her crawl and go. No.
That I slept with my own sister. Eh? Nah, I'll have to look for another alternative before these people will put me to everlasting regret. Another baba guy be aboard. To shame me, my own sister.
So long as I'm still alive, it will never happen.
Are you okay?
Tell your son to refund that money. Tell your son to refund the money, oh. It is not for sale.
Hey, Mom, come on. You are the queen. You don't need all of this cheap drama. Okay? Just relax and drink your juice, Mama.
Did you hear that? This is my kingdom. I am the queen. So step aside.
Of course.
Did you hear that?
Hey! Please.
Okay.
No. No.